Hello guys, you can see me. Hello, I'm on the side. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna today this is my first video. I might be sounding cringy, so sorry about that. But today we're gonna learn how to make a kit in Gimkit. So it's basically whatever. So you go to kits, press new kit, kit name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it I'm just gonna name it Satchel. Alright. You can hold on. Add question. Alright, you can ask any question. But now I'm gonna do bonus. Oopsie. Okay, that's sorry about that. Alright. So one plus, if you want to do it, if you're just playing for fun. If you can, like I said, you can add anything that you want. Alright, like anything that you want. So, let's see. If it's not like that, then just do that. Okay, hold on. Make that incorrect. Just put periods. So 1, 2, and 3, and then now you can press add. Press that. Check it. Alright, and then let's see. Then it's you can do it public. Then you just do no. Sorry. And then you press all done. And then there's your new kit. See you guys in the next video. Bye. And also next video I'm gonna play Roblox. Bye.